Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional logo using ChatGPT for free. You don't need any design experience for you to be able to generate these logos. So I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to generate a logo for your brand. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to generate two logos. The first logo that we are going to generate is the fashion brand logo. That's the logo that we have on the screen right now. So I have already prepared the prompts that I'm going to use with ChatGPT. All right. So this is the fashion brand logo that we are going to generate. So the second logo that we are going to generate in this video is the real estate logo. So this is the logo. Let me close this. So this is the logo that we are going to generate for the real estate. So if, for instance, you're using your mobile phone, you can go to Play Store if you're using an Android phone. If you're using an iPhone, go to Apple Store, download and install ChatGPT app on your phone. But if you're using a web browser like a PC like me, you don't need the app. So the same interface that we have on the web browser is what we have on the various apps. So you don't have to worry yourself about that. So I have already prepared the prompt and we are going to use it with ChatGPT. Don't worry, if you need the prompt, just let me know in the comment section. So first, I'm going to open my web browser, and in my web browser, the first thing that you are going to see is the chat text field. So on the chat text field, paste your prompts. So I'm going to scroll down slowly so that you can see the complete prompt. So this is the brand name. I The name is generic just for the purpose of this video, but if you want to generate your own video, you would need to change the name right here. So I'm going to scroll down, and then these are the colors combination. So if you have already defined colors for your brand, you can change it right here. So we have the deep midnight navy, that's the color, the dusty coral, that's the second color, and the clean white. So these are all the colors that we have used in the fashion brand logo. So again, this is the name of the fashion brand. Okay, that's for this video. All right, so I'm going to scroll down so that you can see the complete prompt. Right, so if you need the prompt, just let me know and I'm going to send it to you so that you can also practice, okay, how these logos are being designed without any prior experience in Photoshop or Adobe Express or any other um, softwares that they use for graphic designs. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the send prompt button. That's the arrow button right there. Click on it. So if you're using a mobile phone, you're going to see the same button on your ChatGPT mobile app. So tap on the send prompt button. So once you do that, you would need to wait for it to generate. So most times it depends on how fast your internet connection is and probably the number of people that are currently using ChatGPT to generate images. So we are going to wait for it to generate, and then when it finishes, then we are going to generate the second logo. That's the real estate logo. So for what we are currently generating right now is the fashion brand logo. All right. So once it finishes, I'm going to show you how to download it into your PC or your computer, as the case may be. All right, so this is the logo that ChatGPT has generated for us. I'm going to click on it like this for it to open. All right, so you notice that it's in square dimension. All right, so something that we can be able to use maybe on a social media profile uh, pictures, okay, or maybe on our flyers or on our website, as the case may be. Okay, so we are okay with what ChatGPT gave to us. Um, in a situation where you're not okay or comfortable with the output, you can always adjust the prompts. Just you see, describe edit. So click here, then type what you want ChatGPT to change in the generated logo, and then hit on the send prompt button. So ChatGPT is going to re-edit, that's redesign the logo to what you wanted. Okay, so if you're okay with this, just like we are, click on the download button right there. So you can see that icon button, click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to download. Then click on that download button, click on the file name. So this is what ChatGPT generated for us. You see the lady, the colors, okay, combination and the design of the lady is on the logo is a little bit different from what we had. Okay, so let me quickly show you what we had previously. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we had. That's the first one that I generated when I was practicing. Okay, and then this is what we generated currently. So you notice that it's different, but both of them are superb. Both of them are nicely designed logos. Okay, so we can use this. All right, so we are going to all right, so next I'm going to paste the prompt for the real estate logo. So this is the prompt right here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. So I'm not going to waste your time by reading everything on this prompt. Okay, so but if you want to change the generic name that we have used here as the company name, so this is it. That's the Keystone name that we have used in this logo. So you can quickly change it to yours. And then if you scroll down like this, so these are all the colors that we have defined in this real estate logo. So for the subtitle below the company name, you can see this right here. Change it to whatever thing that you deem fit. Okay, and then when we scroll down, then these are all the colors once again. Just when you get the prompt, go through it, and then if you don't know the color codes for each of these colors, just tell ChatGPT that these are the colors that you want. Okay, so these are the colors that you want, or these are the colors of your company or your business. So ChatGPT is going to help you edit the prompt and add the color code. So you don't need to disturb yourself trying to make research of the color codes of your company. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit like this. So once we are okay with it, we are going to click or tap on the send prompt button. So once you click on it, all you need to do at this point is to wait for ChatGPT to generate the logo. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button. Help us share this video so that somebody out there who is researching on how to generate or create logos for their small businesses, they can be able to use this tutorial to learn how to generate logos. Okay, so this is the logo that ChatGPT has generated for the real estate. So it is very clean and minimalistic, so we can use it. So I'm going to click on this, and then it will open the logo in a way that I'll be able to see it well. So it is very okay by me. But if you feel that you don't like what was currently generated, so you can just go describe your edit, tell ChatGPT what to change or what to add, and then hit on the send prompt button. Then ChatGPT is going to redesign the logo to exactly what you want. Okay, so you can try this maybe like 2 or 3 times, or maybe 4 times, as the case may be, and then you can now sit back and select the best one that you prefer. That's the one of your choice. This is how we get, some of the best designs out there. Don't just generate one. You can generate two, three, four, five, as the case may be, and you pick one from it. Okay, but because of time, I wouldn't want to do that right now. So we are just going to do with what we have on our screen. All right. So if you're okay with this, just click on the download button, and then the logo is going to be downloaded into your mobile device or your phone. So this is what we have here. It is absolutely beautiful. All right. So guys, if you want this prompt, just let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and share the video. See you in my next video.